Alright guys, and once again, the important message of success. The power of subconscious mind. Recently, I have studied a lot of Bruce Lipton and Joe Dispenza work. And let me tell you this, I have learned. Basically, that we humans are slaves to our biology. Right? Like slaves. We are built to be slaves. Okay? You are slave to your biology. I am slave to my biology. Everyone you see around, every human being is slave to his biology. We are slaves. Now knowing this, okay, like operating from this perspective that beyond human experience, that there is higher intelligence that created human body, and it created in a certain way, from scientific basis, in a certain way, for their own benefit. Who the fuck knows what about? But and knowing that you are a fucking slave, okay. Now, how to use that knowledge, okay, to your advantage, to get what the fuck you want, in life, like to succeed in life. And a big part of that is, realizing that your subconscious mind is the reason why the way you see yourself, the way you see the world, and basically the way your life looks like. Like this, but the main reason, because you're a slave, right? You're programmed slave, and your subconscious mind basically, is responsible how you see the world, how you see yourself, decisions you make. Not all of them, but like most of them. Habits, of course, the way you communicate with people, and so on and so forth. It's all subconscious, right? Now, but it's not like there's not like meaning. Okay, it's not like you have to be this person, you have to see the world like in this way, and so on and so forth. It is the result of, but it's not the meaning, right? So taking power, control, by knowing the knowledge, how, or the way we process world works, can give us power to, take power and control over, our life, world, or ourselves. And so the way to do it is by working on our subconscious mind. All right. Now this is like big concept, a general idea. And there's so many techniques and ways how to do it. I strongly suggest you to listen some Bruce Lipton. He's all about biology and so on. And Joe Dispenza. Those two guys, they will change your life. And so there's different ideas how to change your subconscious mind. And what can work for one will not work for other. So you need to find your own. And basically it's like what you'll be attracted, But one very good way to do so, right, is to, before you go to sleep, right, turn on your headphones and listen to some kind, to the beliefs, ideas, or that you would like to see, experience, so on and so forth. Listen to them. Just listen, fucking listen. And as slowly as you're going to sleep, and you start to feel like drowsy, you start to feel like you're sleeping, if you're not sleeping, like when you're in that state, your brains change frequency. I think it was from alpha, beta, I think like on delta level. And where you're in that spot, what you're listening in that fucking audio will go straight to your subconscious mind. And the next day you wake up, you will feel different. I can guarantee it. Like I'm speaking from experience here. Now this is one way. Another way is, I mean, subconscious mind can learn as well as from repetition. Okay. In daytime, instead of listening, music that is, it's fun, it's good, like it's makes you feel good or whatever, but listen to those audios, but listen from a different perspective. Don't listen, like there is different states when you're going to sleep, when you're aware. Like listen from the perspective you need to just repeat similar messages, and more maybe on the learning phase. See, because if you would listen in daytime, you're working with conscious mind to get into the subconscious, and at nighttime you're working on getting straight into subconscious mind, right? They are like different entities, like really like different entities, right? And Bruce Lipton said that our conscious mind processes like 4 bits or something of information every second, and subconscious like 40 million or something. Like it's like the difference is huge, right? But anyway, so, and listen in daytime, right? But in a learning way, those beliefs and so on that you would like to impose on yourself, and it's best to repeat same for a while, or it's very good to organize and choose like one, and maybe let's say like, I don't know, like you want to have a better discipline, right? It is very good to actually listen some kind of videos about discipline and so on, but it's very good to make more specifically. Yes, you can make variety and what's called, like looking from different angles about same subject, so it's not boring and so on. But to focus on one specific thing, because your brain likes to take new information in organized manner, so it'll be faster progress for you, right? And yeah, so you can listen daytime and nighttime, and you can change your being life pretty fast, actually. Pretty fast. Like this is knowledge, man. Like this is how you can take full control over your life and experience. By understanding, by knowing that you're a fucking slave, okay? You're a slave to your biology, and either it will run you or you run it. Don't make sense, folks.